We're here at the National Manufacturing and Supply Chain Conference exhibition in the RDS. It's been absolutely amazing.
Great to get so many experts in the same room together. It's great to listen, share ideas, do a bit of network and potentially do a bit of business.
The quality of the speakers that you've had on the stages, that's been very interesting. Also the ability to talk to potential customers and existing customers all in the same place.
You have a fantastic chance to network, get out of your day-to-day, get your nose off the grindstone, get out and meet people, get out and meet the industry leaders, and to see what technology is out there to really help you advance your business as a whole.
Get out there and get involved in the ecosystem that we have here in Ireland and learn from each other. Events like today can really open up new ideas and come up with new solutions to those problems that you have on the factory floor.
If you're not here, you're missing out on seeing what is the latest technology in the industry and how it will help your company grow.
There's been a really good spread of technologies here, a lot of knowledge sharing and a lot of knowledge in the room, asking really good questions, and good questions actually lead to really good solutions.
That's why events like this are really, really important, is just to get those people together so they can connect and do business.
You have to be here, and you have to be here next year in 2027.